Hello gang, how you going? Skypilot here with another unboxing, quick review and hopefully possible flight of the new JJRC H48 Mini. 2-point gig, 4-channel, 6-axis little drone thingamajigamy from B&G. Link in description from my good friends at Banggood. Let's crack into it. So this apparently has a flying distance of about 15 meters with a charging time of about 40 minutes to charge, which gives you a flight time of approximately 5 minutes. So yes, time will tell. Let's crack her open and have a look what's in the box. Just quickly, the markings on the side here: click-in battery, screw-free structure, okay, 6-axis gyro, and 360-degree flip rolls. Okie doke, and I've opted for the blue one. So upon opening your package, you will see an instruction manual and the Airmaster game thingy-majigamy. Plastic on plastic, slides off here to produce the JJRC drone. Excuse me, my phone's just beeping. Okay. Pull this plastic here off. And there's a remote controller. And that's it. That's what you get inside of the package. So just quickly, the size of the actual quad with the guards on, you're looking at about 13 centimeters, or depending on what part of the world you're from, 5 inches. Weighs in at, yeah, very light, a few grams. Unusual looking controller. So yeah, we have our throttle, steering, nice blue black background there, the infrared senders there. This is a dual charging port apparently. So what you do is your batteries come out, 100 milliamp hour batteries here, running at 3.7 volts. So what you do is, on the fly, you plug it in and charge it up. Funky. So just running through the controllers, you've got your throttle there obviously on the left. On the right here, you've got your joystick, charging port here at the top, the 2 infrared emitters are at the top here. Now this is interesting, you've got a left and a right rotation here depending on what mode you're in, but you can go for high or low speed control. However, this is for left spin and the right one is for right rotation. There is no rotation on the left stick at all. Okay, this button down here next to the power, that is responsible for the high and low speed control. You've got a long bar button here, that's responsible for 1-key start, only for altitude hold versions. And finally this other button here to the right, which is our 1-key landing. As you can see, so what you need to do is slide the battery in. And once you've slid the battery under, and you'll see it light up. This is your infrared antenna just here. Obviously the battery denotes the rear. Power it on. And so power it on, and basically to bind, you just push the right stick up and down and it will bind. So now's probably a good time to test out the 1-key start. No, the 1-key start does not work for. I shall slowly take off into the sky. Now be warned guys, this thing does require a little bit of room. It is quite difficult to control, so I shall go somewhere where there's more room. Yeah, the JJRC H48 Mini. Slightly hard to control. However, a smooth flyer. very, very touchy on the sticks. Has a little bit of trouble. There's a little bit of trouble going from left to right, but yeah, you got to really push the sticks in to get it to go left and right. So a little bit tricky to control. Certainly need to be careful inside. Now, if we want to rotate it, this is the button you need to push here. Like I said, you rotate. Oh, back we come. Pretty hard with our altitude hold. Let's just get it in front of us here. Pretty steady fly though. So you need to push this button here and it'll spin around like so. That's clockwise and there's anti-clockwise. So not your conventional method of spinning left and right, which makes it a bit tricky because you've actually got to push these buttons here to get it to spin around. So, and of course when you're trying to fly, it's a very nippy drone, guys. It's very fast, so it takes a little bit of skill to keep it steady. But yeah, for the $1, that's pretty cool. Not for the beginner, and it certainly you certainly do need to have a little bit of skill to fly this thing indoors or outdoors, for that matter. It can be a bit tricky. However, it is quite strong because I've managed to crash it a few times now without too much trouble. So luckily it comes with 4 spare props because I think you're going to need them, especially the way I fly. These prop guards, they stay on there. It looks like a pretty decent sturdy construction. Good fun little kids drone, only flies a few metres away, definitely an indoorer. It's not going to be too good for outdoors though, but yeah, for bang for your buck, I'll give it 4 stars out of 5. So that's terrific. Awesome. Check in the description, guys. Thumbs up. Thanks for dropping in. See you next time. Sky Pilot. Bye for now.